Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a beautiful day, and from the last video you guys know we traveled to Oklahoma for an important meeting my husband had. So we just accompanied him to Oklahoma, and it was a very interesting trip. Okay, so this is the day we went to Oklahoma State University. So if you guys don't know, my husband is an alumni of Oklahoma State University. So guys, enjoy the video. Okay guys, so we are at Oklahoma State University now. This is my husband's alma mater, his school. He graduated from this place, so he has some appointments to see some professors for some official stuff. So we came around here. Now this school brings a lot of memories to me, because when I was courting my husband, when we were in courtship, he was always showing me around his school. You know, maybe when he's running to lecture, we'll be talking on phone and all that. So I know these places everywhere around here. I know this place by camera, but I don't know it physically, you know. So I'm just so glad that I'm able to be here and see the school for myself. It's a pretty good place. It looks beautiful and everything is okay. So that's how our journey has been. We're going to be going to Tulsa this night. We'll be spending the night at Tulsa, and then we'll be coming back to Oklahoma City tomorrow. Okay, so my children and I waited in the car for my husband to have his meeting. Yes, the air conditioner was on. I didn't want to go inside the building with the children because they will turn everywhere upside down. So we had to wait in the car. When he was done meeting the professors, we left. So now we just took a quick tour around Oklahoma State University before leaving. So it's a beautiful school, a nice place, calm, you know. It's just nice. It has some similarities with Hope College. I like the way they build their buildings here. They are kind of similar, you know. The campuses are kind of similar, and it's just interesting to see. So if you've not been to Oklahoma State University before, or Oklahoma State, now I'm showing you Oklahoma State, okay?
Where I was living, that down floor there. This one.
This first one, right?
Yes, that one.
Ah, your door was outside, so
Yes.
wow.
This was my house. And the mommy then were living the other one there.
Chai.
This one here.
Oh, it was quite close.
This is Alimami's house.
So you can see how excited my husband sounded, showing me where he lived as a student. I don't know how he feels, but I can imagine going back to the school where you were a student and you're going back there as a professor. It's quite, you know, intriguing. Yeah, so we are done. We just took a quick tour around the school, and then we zoomed off. Okay, we first of all stopped somewhere to have our lunch, and then we went to Tulsa.
Topsy-turvy, wake up early, could be anywhere. Madly, truly, could have fooled me. Ooh, Cupid, shoot me there. And when the world is burning all around me, I'm the one who's dancing in the flames.
So guys, we stopped at IHOP to get our brunch. Yeah, because we rushed out of the house. I don't think we had breakfast that morning. So the only meal I'm familiar with in IHOP is the Colorado omelette. Now, I don't know if I'm the only one, but the only problem I have with most American restaurants is that the pepper is not hot enough. It's not spicy enough. So maybe I will start having a can of Cameroon pepper in my purse whenever I'm leaving out the house, you know. So the meal looks delicious, but I don't like the fact that there's no pepper. Like it's not hot. You know, as an African woman, a Nigerian, I love hot and spicy food. So apart from that, the food was okay. But I think I'll start carrying pepper in my handbag whenever I want to eat out, so that I will just use my own African pepper, because that's the only way I can enjoy the meal properly, you know.
Just that you were enough. Know that you were made of love. Shine bright, because in time all the good things will be yours. Shadows on.
So we're heading over to my husband's friend's house. His friend's name is Kevin. Kevin was his very, very good friend when he was at Oklahoma State University. In fact, they were so close, like brothers. So there was no way we could come to Oklahoma without stopping by to see Kevin and his family. So we stopped by and we spent the night in Kevin's place. Went for dinner with his mom and him. We just had a good time with them. So we left the next morning. Yeah, so right now we're heading to Texas Roadhouse to go and have dinner. My husband has said a lot about Texas Roadhouse. Oh, Texas Roadhouse is so nice. I used to eat there when I was in Oklahoma. But we don't have Texas Roadhouse here in Holland. Or yeah, I don't know if they have, but I've never seen it here. But I think we don't have anyone here. So we went there for dinner and it was quite interesting. The meal was good, and at least I had a first time. It was my first time eating there, right? So everything was fine.
On the sand and ice cream melting in my hand. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling.
So guys, we had a pretty good time in Tulsa. Like I said, we had a very good time. Had our dinner, went back to Kevin's house, we spent the night there and left in the morning. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and see you in my next one. Bye.